Is it clear? Any doubts? Now let me proceed. Minimum difference method. In this one we are solving few problems. HCF of 1651, 2032. Answer is nothing but the element in the set factor of B minus A. So factor of 2032 minus 1651, which is nothing but 2032 minus 1651. So this is nothing but 379. Sorry. It is nothing but, suppose if I add 349, it will be 2000 plus 32. It is 381. So it is nothing but 381. 381. Now we have to check whether 381 is prime or composite. Prime or composite. Check whether 381 is prime or composite. Suppose for example root of 381. What are the approximately? It is resulting in closer to 19. 19 square is 361. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Check if any of these divides. Sorry, 381, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. So it is 3 into 121, 127, 127. Square root of 127 is closer to 12. What are the set of prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2 it is not divisible, 3 it is not divisible, 5 it is not divisible, 7 it is not divisible, 11 it is not divisible. So 127 is a prime number. So answer should be in the factor of 1, 3, 127, 381. 1, 3, 127, 381. This is divisible. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. This is not divisible by 3. 2, 0, 3, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. If two numbers are not divisible by 3, it cannot be divisible by 3. If number is not divisible by 3, how can it be divisible by 381? Answer for this question is 127. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Idea clear, right? HCF of any two numbers is a factor of their difference. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the factor of their difference. 496, 403, 713. Answer is nothing but minimum difference. Minimum difference we have to take. 496, 403. Minimum difference is 93. Answer is nothing but minimum difference in the element of factor of 93. Factor of 93 is nothing but 133193. 133193. Now if you observe, if option is 3, all the 3 numbers should be divisible by 3. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, it cannot be divisible by 93. Check whether for 496 is divisible by 31. Yes, 497. 496 is nothing but 31 into 16. 403 is nothing but 31 into 13. 713 is nothing but 31 into 23. So answer for this question is 31. I hope the idea is clear. HCF of, what is the concept that we discussed in the previous slide? I'll repeat the concept. HCF of HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element. Answer is an element in the set. Factor of B minus A. Answer is an element in the set. Factor of B minus A. This is the first concept. Or take the minimum difference. Take the minimum difference from the given numbers. Do factors. Take the minimum difference from the given numbers. Do factors. Take the minimum difference from the given numbers. Do factor. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is nothing but the element in the set of factor of B minus A or minimum difference from the given numbers. This uses this concept and question number 3 uses this concept. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Here I checked whether 381 is a 381 is a composite or not. 381 is divisible by 3. 127. 127 is not divisible by any of the prime numbers. Any of the prime numbers. Any of the prime numbers. So 127. I hope it is clear. Next slide. HCF of P plus 10, P plus 25, P plus 26, P plus 10, P plus 25, P plus 26 if P is a natural number. If P is a natural number. Now if you see, what is the concept that we discussed? Minimum difference concept. Minimum difference. P plus 26, P plus 25. Minimum difference. Minimum difference is nothing but 1. Factor of different factors of 1 is 1. One way to look at it is answer is 1 because the minimum difference it is nothing but 1. Minimum difference it is nothing but 1. This is method 1. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Minimum difference. We will take the minimum difference for my given numbers and we will take the factors. HCF of 1 with any number. 1 with any number is 1. HCF of 1 with any number is 1. HCF of 1 with any number is 1. These both are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers HCF is 1. Consecutive numbers HCF is 1. 1 with, so P plus 25, P plus 26 are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers HCF is 1. 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 So answer is 1. 1 with any natural number, answer is 1. HCF of 1 with any natural number, HCF is 1. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. How many different HCF is or are possible for the given numbers n and n plus 10? So there are two numbers n and n plus 10. He is asking the question, how many different HCFs are possible? How many different HCFs are possible for this number? There are two numbers. What is the concept that we discussed right now? HCF of any two numbers. HCF of any two numbers. It is nothing but an element in the set. It is nothing but element in the set. Factor of B minus A. So if I take the factor of their difference, n plus 10 n, the difference is nothing but 10. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are nothing but 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. How many HCFs may be possible? How many HCF may be possible? HCFs may be possible are 4. HCF may be possible are 4. Are you all with me? What is the concept that I am using in this question? HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of B minus A. HCF of any two numbers Answer is an element in the set factor of b minus a. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of b minus a. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of b minus a. I hope the idea is clear. So we have discussed many concepts. Now see here. Extremely important concept, next 30 to 45 minutes. Please listen carefully. The concept name is congruence modulo theorem. 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 Now, first listen to the concept. Suppose if I take, example I am taking. Suppose if I am taking two numbers, 5 and 7. These for both 5 and 7 belong to co-prime set. Because their HCF is 1. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Now if you observe, HCF of 5, 7 is 1 because there is no factor common other than 1. For example, if I took two numbers which are co-prime to each other, take one number, add both the numbers. What is 5 plus 7? 12. What is 5 plus 7? 12. If you observe, HCF of 5, 7 is 1 and HCF of one single number with the sum of two numbers. 5 plus 7, 5, 12 is also 1. Suppose if I take with the second number, 7 with the sum of the numbers, 7, 12 is also 1. 7, 12 is also 1. 7, 12 is also 1. But if you take the difference of two numbers, what is 12 here? 12 is nothing but 5 plus 7. Here also what is 12? It is nothing but 5 plus 7. Take the difference. What is 7 minus 5? 2. 5, 7 they both are co-prime. 5, 2 also they are co-prime. 5, 2 also they are co-prime. 5, 2 is also 1. Suppose if I take the second number 7, 2, 7, 2 is also co-prime. 7, 2 is also co-prime. Now a beautiful understanding from this example. If I take any two numbers, which are co-prime to each other, that number with the sum of the two numbers, that other number with the sum of the two numbers, that number with the difference between the two numbers, other number with the difference between the two numbers, all behave in the same manner, and the same manner here is nothing but all are co-prime to each other. All are co-prime to each other. All are co-prime to each other. Now listen carefully to this line, sir. This line should be extremely clear to you. This line should be extremely clear to you. HCF of A, B is also equivalent to HCF of A, plus B. That is what we did in the first example. It is also equivalent to HCF of B, A plus B. It is also equivalent to HCF of A, B minus A. It is also equivalent to HCF of B, B minus A. But if you take the sum and difference, 5 plus 7 is 12, 5 minus 7 is 2. HCF of two even numbers cannot be an even number. May or may not be equal to. May or may not be equal to. May or may not be equal to. May or may not be equivalent to HCF of A plus B, B minus A. Very important point. If I want to find out the HCF of any two numbers, it is as equivalent to finding the HCF of number with the addition of two numbers, number with the difference of two numbers. but it is not equivalent to HCF of A plus B comma B minus A. Extremely important point, sir. Why the name congruence modulo came into picture? Congruence modulo. Congruence modulo. If two numbers are congruent under one set and the set happen to be co-prime here, if I do any modulo operation, here in this case I did modulo addition and modulo subtraction. If two numbers are congruent under a particular property, if I do modulo addition or modulo subtraction, that congruency still holds true. That congruency still holds true. Extremely important point. HCF of any two numbers can be any of this. It could be A comma A plus B. It could be B comma A plus B. It could be A comma B minus A, assuming that B is greater than A. Assuming that B is greater than A. Assuming that B is greater than A. Assuming that it is B is greater than A. Please write down these important key points. Extremely important congruence modulo theorem. If two numbers are congruent under a particular property, addition of two numbers with the single number, subtraction of two numbers with the single number, still it will hold true. Still it will hold true. HCF of any two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. I hope this slide is extremely clear to you. You do individual numbers, individual number with the sum of two numbers, individual number with the subtraction of two numbers, but don't do A plus B comma B minus A. Idea clear? Idea clear? Now, by using this concept, let us solve few problems. We will be discussing advanced level problems. Advanced level problems. Now see. First one. I will solve the first problem in three methods. You take any method of your choice. Method 1. Method 1. HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. It is always 2. HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. It is always 2. 3 power 2007. Odd number power any number. Odd number power any number is an odd number. 3 power 2007 minus 1. Odd number minus 1. Odd if I subtract 1, I will get an even number. Next is 3 power 2007 plus 1. Odd number plus 1 is nothing but an even number. But if you observe, these two are consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers, middle value will be an odd number. What is HCF of any? What is HCF of any two consecutive even numbers? HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. Answer is nothing but 2. This is how to solve the first problem using method 1. How to solve the first problem using method 1. I hope it is clear. HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. Any two consecutive even numbers. HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. Answer is always 2. HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. Answer is always 2. I hope method 1 is clear. This is the concept. This is the concept and down is the execution of the concept. First one is the concept and second one is the execution of the concept. Now method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. First I will write down the concept. HCF of any two numbers. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set. Is an element in the set factor of b minus a. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of b minus a. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of b minus a. So let me take the solution. Factor of b minus a. Factor of b minus a. This minus this. 3 power 2007 plus 1 minus of 3 power 2007 minus 1. Factor of b minus a will become this minus this, factor of 2. What are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are nothing but 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Factor of 2 are nothing but 1 comma 2. We already discussed one more concept. HCF of any two even numbers. HCF of any two even numbers. Answer will be an even number. HCF of any two even numbers. Answer will be an even number. HCF of any two even numbers. Answer will be an even number. 3 power 2007 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. Odd minus odd, even. This is 3 is an odd number. Odd power anything odd. 1 is also odd. What is odd plus odd? Even number. HCF of any two even numbers is always an even number. So answer is nothing but 2. Method 2. Method 1. We used the concept of HCF of any two consecutive even numbers is 2. Method 2 is HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of b minus a. Element in the set factor of b minus a. Method 2. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of b minus a. B minus a. HCF of a comma b. HCF of a comma b. I hope method 2 is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat in case if it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat in case if it is clear to you. Method 2. I hope it is clear. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. To one problem I will discuss multiple methods so that you can look at the problem from different angles. Method 3. What is method 3? HCF of a comma b is nothing but, just now we discussed congruence modulo theorem. It is also equivalent to HCF of a comma b minus a, where b is greater than a. HCF of a comma b is nothing but HCF of a comma b minus a, where b is greater than a. First concept. Second one, HCF of any even number. HCF of any even number with 2. Answer is always 2. HCF of any even number with 2. Answer is always 2. HCF of any even number with 2. Answer is always 2. HCF of a comma b is HCF of a comma b minus a. HCF of any even number with 2 is 2. These two concepts we will discuss. Now we will solve this problem. HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, comma 3 power 2007 plus 1. Answer is nothing but this concept I am using. It is nothing but HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, comma b minus a. It is nothing but 2. Again I am using this concept. HCF of any even number with 2. Answer is always 2. Answer is always 2. Two important key points and two important execution of the key points. Question number 1. If you observe, I solved the problem in 3 methods. 3 methods, 3 different concepts. Concept, it is all about knowing the concept. It is all about knowing the concept. HCF of any two numbers is nothing but HCF of a comma b minus a. HCF of any even number with 2. HCF of any even number with 2. Answer is always 2. These two important key points. Let us put a star mark on these key points. Very, very important key points. Very, very important key points. If you know these two key points, you can solve it. Right? 3 methods. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Clear? Now, again let us solve the second problem. Second problem you can solve it in any two methods. What I will do is, I will use the concept of factor of b minus a. I will use the concept of factor of b minus a. B minus a. I hope first problem is clear. Yes, Tejender, I remember SJBIT. I had a very, very good time with most of the SJBIT students. Morning to evening taking a session for 500 plus students and having a great time. HCF of 7 power 43 minus 5 comma 7 power 43 plus 5. Factor of their difference. If I take their difference, 7 power 43 plus 5 minus of 7 power 43 minus 5, which is 10. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Now if you see, 7 is nothing but odd number. Odd number power any number is odd. 5 is nothing but odd. Odd minus odd is even. 7 is nothing but odd. 5 is nothing but odd. Odd plus odd is even. HCF of 2 any even number is an even number. So 5 is out, 1 is out. Are you all with me? If a 5 is out, if a number is not divisible by 5, how can it be divisible by 10? Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Idea clear? HCF of any two numbers. Answer is a factor element in the factor of their difference. If I take the factor of their difference, 7 power 43 plus 5 minus of 7 power 43 minus 5, it is 10. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. These an even number, even number. HCF of any two even numbers is an even number. It cannot be an odd number. So 5 is out. If a 5 is out, automatically 10 will be out. If a number is not divisible by 5, how can it be divisible by 10? How can it be divisible by 10? How can it be divisible by 10? Again I am explaining. Now see here. HCF of 7 power 43 minus 5, comma 7 power 43 plus 5. What is the concept I am using this in this question? HCF of a comma b is nothing but HCF of a comma b minus a. Assuming b is greater than a. This is the concept I am using, Manoj Beta, for you. So this is nothing but HCF of 7 power 43 minus 5 comma b minus a. So b minus a is nothing but 10. Are you all with me? So now see here. This is odd number. Odd number power any number is odd. 5 is also an odd number. Odd minus odd is even. This is an even number. This is an even number. 10 is also an even number. HCF of any two even numbers, answer will be even. Answer will be even. What is the even number that is possible? 2. Why can't it be? What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. I am saying answer is an even number. If answer is an even number, how can it be 5? If a number is not divisible by 5, how can it be divisible by 10? Answer is nothing but 2. Answer is nothing but 2. Manoj Beta, I hope it is clear. So, HCF of any two numbers, answer is an element in the set factor of their difference. Element in the set factor of their difference. Element in the set factor of their difference. Idea clear, Manoj? Question number 2. Question number 1, I did method 1, I did method 2 and I did method 3. Three methods to solve, right? We have started with the basic problems, then we discussed intermediate level problems. Now we are discussing high advanced level problems. Still we will do more problems. Now, HCF of 4 twos, 6 twos. Now method 1. Then directly I will tell you in a single step. HCF of 4 twos, 6 twos. 4 twos, 6 twos. Now listen carefully. This is nothing but HCF of, can I write like this? 2 by 9 into 4 nines. 9, 1, 1, 1, 1, it will get cancelled. 2 into 4 ones is 2 twos. This is nothing but 2 by 9 into 6 nines. Are you all with me? So this is nothing but HCF of 2 by 9 into 10 power 4 minus 1. 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 1. I hope the idea is clear. HCF of any two numbers, answer is nothing but the factor of their difference. 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 1 minus of 10 power 4 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. It is nothing but factor of 2 by 9 into 10 power 4 into 10 square minus 1. Are you all with me? 100 minus 1 is 99. So it is nothing but 22 into 10 power 4. Answer is nothing but a factor of 22 into 10 power 4. Answer is nothing but a factor of 22 into 2 power 4. 22 is nothing but 2 into 11 into 10 power 4. 10 power 4 is 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. This is an even number. This is an even number. HCF of any two even numbers will be an even number. This is out, this is out. 16. 16 means last 4 digits. Sorry. 5 power 4 is out. 11. Let me check. 11 with 2. This is an even number. Okay. 11 means there can be an even multiples of 11 also. Sum of odd places, sum of even places. Sum of odd places, sum of even places. So it is divisible by 2 and 11. Answer is 22. Answer is 22. I hope it is clear. 16 I am eliminating because last 3 digits should be divisible by last 3 digits should be divisible by 16, which is not possible. 5 power 4 anyway it is not possible. 5 power 4 I eliminated. 5 power 4 I eliminated because 5 power 4 I eliminated because HCF of two even numbers should be 11. 11, yes, it is divisible by 11. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. 2 plus 2 minus of 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus of 2 plus 2 plus 2. Sum of odd minus sum of even. It is divisible by 11. It is not divisible by 16. 16 means last 4. First of all, this is not divisible by 4 only. Where is the question of divisible by 16? So answer is 2 into 11, 22. This is a traditional method. This many steps you have to do it, which will take for you to solve it in 1 minute. I will tell an approach which can help us to solve it in 2 to 5 seconds. Which will help you to solve the question in 2 to 5 seconds. Now let us see that approach. Let us see that approach. Now if you see, 2 is written 4 times. 2 is written 4 times. 2 is written 6 times. 4 times 6 times. What is highest HCF of 4 times 6 times? 2 times. Answer is nothing but 2 written 2 times. Answer is nothing but 2 written 2 times. 2 is written 4 times. 2 is written 6 times. 4 times 6 times. HCF is 2 times. 2 is written 2 times. Here 3 is written how many times? 6 times. 3 is written 6 times. Here how many times it is written? 9 times. 6 times 9 times. What is the HCF of 6 times 9 times? 3 times. Which digit is written 3 times? 3 is written 3 times. So answer is 333. No need to solve step-by-step approach and waste your time and kill your chances of clearing in the competitive examination. Any exam that you are writing, you should clear it in the first attempt. If you are taking more than one attempt in clearing that exam, there is a very serious problem in your preparation. Maybe either you lack the conceptual clarity, or you lack a good teacher, or maybe you are lazy, or maybe you are overconfident in cracking the examination. I hope the idea is clear. I hope all the students who are watching the video, I hope the idea is clear. With A and C, we simplify your preparation. What you can do on your own, if it takes 8 months for you to crack, follow every study plan that we give it to you, right? Prepare diligently, consistently, be a consistent, self-motivated, sincere effort. Be self-motivated, open and pass it, play it. This kind of concepts, I am sure you will not get it right with the kind of thematic based learning we use it. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Everything should be clear to you. Now today the time is 7:20. Again I will come online at night 9:30. 9:30 to 11 when the entire people are spending time with their family. My family is my student community. I will spend time with you at night 9:30. Today again there is a class from night 9:30 to 11. 9:30 to 11. Suraj Beta, I will again repeat it. Simple thing which I am explaining. I will erase the entire thing. 2 questions I will explain for you. I want you to succeed in life. 2 written 4 times. 2 written 4 times and 2 written 6 times. 4 times 6 times. What is the HCF of 4 and 6? 2 times. Answer, some digit should be written 2 times. What is the digit that should be written 2 times? 2 should be written 2 times. Are you there with me? 2 should be written 2 times. 3 is written 6 times. Here 3 is written 9 times. 6 times 9 times. What is the HCF of 6 and 9? 3. 3 times. Some digit should be written 3. What is the digit that is repeated in the question? 3. Answer is 333. Finish. No need to take step by step. No need to take step by step. Students who have missed my classes, this is what we kept on discussing, sir. Those who missed the first class, see the flow of the class. See the flow of the students. We started with the problems based on HCF. We discussed the definition. Then we discussed the varieties. We discussed the basic level problems. Basic level we discussed close to 12 problems we discussed. 12 problems we discussed. Then we discussed I hope you are all there with me. Just give me a few seconds, sir. PPT got stuck. Ashutosh, I already replied. Please take a number, sir. You can WhatsApp 829698. Just 1 minute. PPT, I think there. Just give me 1 minute, sir. There seems to be some problem. It got stuck. 1 minute, sir. Any doubts you can ask it. Any student who is interested, Sir, lot of content is being added every day. To all the enrolled students, there is a big surprise for you. Another 24 to 36 hours of content for English will be added to the enrolled students. Just 1 minute, sir. It seems to be. Give me 1 minute. We are restarting the PPT. There seems to be some issue. We'll be back in another 1 minute, sir. We'll be back. Just give me 1 minute. Prakash. Give me 1 minute, sir. You can ask me any question. Just give me 1 minute. Any doubts? If you want to ask, you can ask. These are the problems that we are solving. The students who have missed all these problems, you can check Ashutosh in the recent activity in our system. Now see here. I'll tell you at the end better. 1 minute. These are the problems which we discussed from the morning. We have understood how to take the lowest number and its factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again 10, 11, 12. 15 problems we solved based upon the definition. Elimination approach, 4 problems we discussed. Then we discussed the minimum difference method. Minimum difference we discussed 4 problems. Then we discussed HCF of 1 with any natural number is 1. How to find out the different thing. Then we discussed the congruence modulo theorem. Advanced problems we discussed 1 and 2. We are there in this problem. I hope it is clear. So answer for this question is 22. Answer for this question is 3 added 6 times. Now next one. Another one. Question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 and 6. To all the enrolled students of A and C, you will see minimum 250 plus tests added into your online portal. 250 plus tests added into your online portal in the last 4 weeks. That is the first update. Then data interpretation, another 18 hours of videos are already added into your online portal. And by December 31st, another 36 to 48 hours of content, new content, 36 hours to 48 hours of new content will also be done. Already I have taken prime numbers 3 sessions. That also should be uploaded by tomorrow evening. In addition to it, one of my old student who has done MBA from one of the good business school, Neha, she has done her MBA from one of the reputed business schools in USA. She will also give us 36 to 40 hours of verbal classes. Point number 5. We have also introduced another technical feature known as YouTube Premiere. In case if you miss any class, we will be replaying the pre-recorded classroom sessions. These are the things which we have done it to enrolled students without creating over expectation. I hope it is clear, right sir? If any student who has not bought our course, I'm telling with confidence as a person with 14 years of experience, with such an extraordinary content, you take any topic, we will have a fabulous content. And the best thing is you can watch the content in desktop and mobile, and you can also download the videos. That is the greatest advantage. Now question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 and 6. If I enter into a YouTube live classes, I am sure all the teachers who are there in aptitude, they know the kind of difference I can make in terms of content. HCF of 3 power 6 minus 1 comma 3 power 9 minus 1. First we will discuss the traditional method. Traditional method. Now see here. Traditional method. HCF of A comma B. It is nothing but answer is an element. In the set factor of B minus A. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. So HCF of 3 power 6 minus 1 comma 3 power 9 minus 1. Answer is nothing but element in the set factor of B minus A. Factor of 3 power 9 minus 1 minus 3 power 6 minus 1, which is factor of 3 power 9 minus 3 power 6, which is nothing but factor of 3 power 6 into 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube minus 1. Now see here. Listen carefully. This is the traditional method. Now in case if you see, this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, answer 1 is not divisible by 3. 3 power 6 is out. Now check whether 3 power 6 minus 1, it is nothing but 3 cube whole square minus 1 whole square. It is divisible by 3 cube minus 1. Yes, the first number is divisible. 3 power 9 minus 1 is 3 cube whole cube minus 1 whole cube. It is also divisible by 3 cube minus 1. So both are divisible by 3 cube minus 1. Answer is 3 cube minus 1. Idea clear? Answer is 3 cube minus 1. Traditional method. 3 power 6 minus 1 comma 3 power 9 minus 1. Take the element in the set factor of B minus A. Element in the set factor of B minus A. Method 2. Answer is nothing but HCF of 3 power 6 minus 1 comma 3 power 9 minus 1. 3 power both are same. Answer is nothing but 3 power of HCF of 6 comma 9 minus 1. HCF of 6 comma 9 is 3. Answer is 3 cube minus 1. Answer is 3 cube minus 1. Idea clear? 3 power 6 minus 1, 3 power 9 minus 1. So 3 power of 6 and 9 HCF is 3. Answer is 3 cube minus 1. Simple. Suppose this one is there. 9 power 15 minus 1, 9 power 25 minus 1. Both are 9. 9 power 15, 25, take the HCF. HCF of 15 comma 25 minus 1. 15 and 25 HCF is 5. Answer is 9 power 5 minus 1. 9 power 5 minus 1. Idea is clear. No need to do this traditional method. You can do by using optimal method. 15 and 25 HCF is 5. Answer is 9 power 5 minus 1. Answer is 9 power 5 minus 1. Idea clear? Answer is 9 power 5 minus 1. Next one. Idea is clear. X square minus. Now we are doing HCF problems in algebraic expression. algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is the idea? HCF of f of x comma g of x. Same. F of x comma g of x. Answer is nothing but the element in the set. Answer is nothing but element in the set. Factor of g of x minus f of x. Same idea. HCF of a comma b is nothing but element in the set factor of b minus a. HCF of f of x comma g of x is element in the set factor of b minus a. So answer is nothing but an element in the set. Element in the set factor of b minus a. Factor of x square minus 7x plus 12 minus of x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is nothing but this is a factor of minus 7x plus 5x is minus 2x, minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6. So this is nothing but minus factor of 2 into x plus 3. Minus factor of 2 into x plus 3. Are you all with me, right, sir? Minus factor of 2 into x plus 3. That means first is t2, next factor is x plus 3. X plus 3. Suppose if I take x value, suppose if I take x value 3, check whether both are divisible by 2. 3 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15 minus 10, 5. So it is not x plus 3. Check whether x plus 3 is a factor. Check if x plus 3 is a factor. If the answer is yes, answer is x plus 3. If it is no, answer is 1. Are you all with me? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Are you right? Clear beta? Right, question number 7. Similarly, question number 8. Answer is nothing but factor of b minus a. X minus 8, x minus 10 minus of x minus 6, x minus 8. So it is nothing but factor of x minus 8, x minus 10 minus of x minus 6 is minus 4. So x minus 8 divides this, x minus 8 divides this. Are you all with me? Answer is x minus 8. X minus 8. Entire topic discussion will be on HCF. Entire topic discussion will be on HCF. Idea is clear, right? So we have done HCF for algebraic expression. We have done HCF for powers. We have done HCF for repetition of the numbers. We have done HCF of HCF when a numeric variable is given. We have done how many different HCFs are possible. We have done HCF by using minimum difference concept. When 2 numbers, 3 numbers, any number is given. We have done HCF using elimination approach based problems. We have done HCF for consecutive natural numbers. We have done HCF for given prime basis. We have done HCF taking the lowest number possible. We have done HCF taking the lowest number and its factors problems. We have done some easy level questions based upon the definition of HCF. We have done some basic level problems. Some basic level problems. Close to 30 problems. 30 problems I did only on HCF. Only on HCF. Starting from the definition to the application of the definition to the prime basis lowest power, to the prime base lowest power, to the minimum difference concept, minimum difference method, to the how to find out the HCF for this kind of questions, how to find the HCF when repetition of digits are there, how to find out the HCF using answer options, eliminating answer option, incorrect answer options. All the basic and advanced models from HCF are covered in these two sessions. First session happened only for 40 minutes. That you can do it. I am getting a lot of queries for the students. Now see here, there are a lot of students who are preparing for bank prep examination, especially IBPS clerk examination is just away. I think January 20 is the examination date. Any student who want my shortcuts course for few months, sir, for 3 months I want the course, you can take bank prep. Sir, I want the course for SSC for 3 months. Sir, I want to write exact and other examination for 3 months. We have created a course so that you can save the money. No need to spend the entire money for 12 months. You can buy the course for 3 months. If you like the course for 3 months, then you can upgrade the course to 12 months. Then you can upgrade the course for 12 months at almost 1/4 of the total price. You can pay only 25% of the total price. Let money not be a trouble to you. Suppose if the SSC coaching fees is 10,000, you can buy it only at 2,500 rupees. Access will be given within 30 minutes of time. All the 3,000 plus video collection, all the shortcuts, 7,500 plus questions in test format, 9,000 plus pages of PDF study material, 8050067891. This is the contact number. This is 3 months validity will be given for the first 10 callers. You can pay only 25% of the total price. You can pay only 25% of the total price. Please WhatsApp this number. WhatsApp this number. WhatsApp this number. WhatsApp this number. You can buy the course only for 3 months. I am sure if you buy it for 3 months, then you will upgrade it to 12 months. Do not go for 12 months as of now. First experience the content in 3 months, then go for 12 months. 3 months, that means only 25% of the total price. 25% of the total price. The first 10 students, bank prep price, you are getting only at 2,100 rupees. Validity is 3 months. Please tell your friends. SSC prep package, you are getting only at 2,800 rupees. And MBA prep package, these only for the first 10 enrollments, you are getting only at 3,200 rupees. These only for the first 10 students. The first 10 students who give a call to me, this is the price which I will offer. 8050067891. Only for the first 10 students. No need to pay 7,000, 8,000. Here you will get 3,000 plus videos. Here you will get 2,500. Entire course will be given to you. Here you will get 3,500 plus videos. You are almost paying 1 rupee for one video. You are not even paying 1 rupee for one video. Only 3 months you can buy for the course. Wish you good luck. First 10 students can WhatsApp me. I'm sorry. Please don't call me. Please WhatsApp me. First 10 students, this offer is valid. Interested students, you can forward these details. Now it is 7:45. I'll keep this offer only till 9 PM. And that too for the first 10 students. First 10 students, you can WhatsApp me. Chalo guys, I'm getting messages. Thanks a lot for your patient listening. Thank you.